My first real close connection with him was riding with him in a car up to Decatur for a weekend youth rally or something and really getting acquainted with him. And then a few Sundays I had the privilege of riding in the car with him down to Carlisle, where he preached every Sunday at a little tiny Presbyterian church with maybe 20 people. So the idea of just being able to dialogue with him was wonderful, and the times that he would have us over to his house, often the ministerial students were invited over to his house for hot cider and conversation, often if there was a guest speaker on campus. So the classes meant a lot to me, the Greek classes, the basic Christianity, philosophy, religion, those things meant a lot. But the personal interaction in the living room or in the car, it was just so stimulating and wonderful. Well, that straight back and the firm step as he walked, the immaculate way of dressing, the precise pronunciation of every word, the clearly thought out sentences, just made you, first of all, proud to be around him and to feel good about being associated with the things that he believed in. The whole class introduced me to classics of Christianity, the key doctrines. But it introduced me to John Stott, one of the greatest Bible scholars, to C.S. Lewis, one of the greatest general intellectual thinkers and defenders of the Christian faith, introduced me to a really inductive, detailed study of the Bible, what students in high school now call close reading of texts. There was a difference in style between the two teachers that I took the class from. I took it for credit from Dr. Reinhardt, who was a warm-hearted, conversational, dialogical, and then I audited it from Stan Walters, where it was just very clear, penetrating lectures, and I enjoyed both. But just the fact that you would take the same class twice is a testament to what a wonderful curriculum, syllabus, presentation it all was.